Good morning, dear student. In previous lecture, we discussed the concrete as a composite material. So, in today's lecture, we are very much familiar to discuss the second composite material, that is asphalt. Okay. So, what is this asphalt? What is their characteristics, their uses, and finally, we discuss about and the application of this composite material, where these composite materials are used. So if you consider this asphalt as a composite material, then the first point regarding to this asphalt is this is asphalt is a solid. Asphalt is a solid or semi solid. Asphalt is solid or semi solid product left behind left behind during during the distillation during the distillation of petroleum. Okay, so you should keep in mind that asphalt is a solid or semi-solid product left behind during the distillation of petroleum. Second important points regarding to this asphalt is that in composition in composition in composition, it is actually a mixture of it is actually a mixture of bitumen bitumen. Okay, it is actually a mixture of bitumen and certain mineral matter, certain mineral matter like silica, alumina, and lime. Okay, as a such, so this asphalt is nothing but it is a mixture of bitumen and certain minerals matter like silica, alumina, and lime in a such a proportion that as a such, okay, it is partly soluble. Only partly soluble in carbon disulfide. Partly soluble in carbon disulfide. So, okay, so asphalt is your solid or semi-solid product left behind during the distillation of petroleum. Actually, whatever the solid or semi-solid product left behind the distillation of petroleum is your bitumen. And what is this asphalt? Asphalt is a composite material made up by the bitumens and other subsidiary material. So in composition, it is actually the mixture of bitumen and certain mineral matters like silica, alumina, and lime. As such, it is only partly soluble in carbon disulfide. So if you consider what is this bitumen, it is your hydrocarbon. It is your hydrocarbon, uh, okay, and it having a composition. Hydrocarbon having composition 85% carbon, 85% carbon, 12% hydrogen, 12% hydrogen, and 3% oxygen. So it is actually the byproduct left behind during the distillation of petroleum. And if you consider the asphalt is a composite material. Okay, so we know that the composites are made up by two phases. One is matrix phase, another is a reinforced phase. So bitumen, it is your matrix, and we reinforce some materials like silica, alumina, and lime. Okay, and we add such a material in a such a way that whatever the material, that is asphalt material, it is partly soluble in carbon disulfide. Okay, so let us discuss some characteristics of this asphalt material. So this point is considered as a definition of this asphalt material. What is this asphalt? What is this bitumen? Let us consider the characteristics of this asphalt material. Some characteristics and then uses of this asphalt material. If you consider the first characteristics of this asphalt material, that it is brownish black color. It is brownish black color. So this is the first characteristics of this asphalt material. It is brownish black color. Second, so already we discussed that it is solid or semi-solid, solid or semi-solid material, solid or semi-solid material. Third important characteristic is that it is moderately elastic. Moderately elastic. It is moderately elastic. Next important point is that it is partly soluble. Partly soluble in carbon disulfide. Partly soluble in carbon disulfide. Again, the another important characteristic is that it does not absorb the water. Not absorb the water molecule or water. Not absorb the water. And then the next important characteristic is that it is soft, plastic, and workable when heated. It is soft, plastic, and workable when heated. So if you consider this asphalt, so we know that it is a combination of bitumen and other subsidiary material. So this bitumen, in Marathi it is known as dambar. Okay, so it is used for the different road construction. Okay, so therefore whatever the mixture composite material we see for preparation of roads, okay, so this is nothing but your asphalt material. Okay, it is soft, plastic, and workable when heated. Again, the next important characteristics regarding to this asphalt material, that it is a good insulator. It is a good insulator for heat. It is a good insulator for heat, electricity, and sound. Electricity and sound. So these are some important characteristics of this asphalt material. Let's discuss some uses of this asphalt material, where it is used. So this material is mainly used for construction of roads. Okay, construction of highways. So if you consider its uses, it is mainly used for construction of roads such as highway. Construction of roads such as highways. Okay, second, if you consider its important use in preparation of swimming pools and other water tanks. So preparation of swimming pool tanks, swimming pool tanks, and other water tanks and other water tanks. Again, the third use, it is used in preparing the paints. It is used in preparing the paints. So these are some uses of this asphalt material. So this is all about the asphalt material. Let us discuss the next important point, that is the last point of this chapter, that is the applications of this composite material. So we already discussed what is a composite material, the definition, the different components of this composite material, that is your matrix and reinforcement, then the classification based on the composite material and the reinforced material. Then we discuss the fiber reinforcing materials such as glass, carbon, okay, and armide fiber is there. And then we discuss the concrete and asphalt material. So let us discuss the applications of composite material. So I will give you general applications. I will not mention the specific use of this composite material where it is used, so it is only considered here. So application of this composite material, it is used in aircraft and aerospace application. Second, in automotive application, automobiles, automotive applications. Third, that is the marine application is also the marine application. The next one is your sport industry, or whatever the equipments used in sport, that is sporting industries. Then certain preparation of biomaterials. Then industrial application. So many industrial application is very important, because these composite materials having high strength and high toughness, and they can be used in industrial, okay, because they can withstand at high temperature. Okay, again, they are also used in communication antenna and electrical circuit boards. So making electrical boards. So this is all about the application, making electrical boards, application of this composite material. So as the exam point of view, they mainly ask, I think, the MCQ based on the definition, the classification, and the important composite material and reinforcing material. Okay, that is your glass fiber, then carbon fiber is there, then armide fiber is there. So which is matrix, which is composite, and the concrete and asphalt is there. Okay, so it is not asking the MCQs and application where it is used. Okay, so it is, you should keep in mind that you should remember the definition, their classification, okay, and which material act as a composite material and what is their use. Okay, so this is all about the composite material. In the next lecture we discussing about the cementitious material. Okay, many times the question is asked on the composition of cement, and then the abbreviations of the material which is present in the Portland cements. Okay, so all we discuss in the next lecture.